Our company is Seating Incorporated. We manufacture commercial office seating. We do it in Nunde, New York, where our factory is.
We manufacture products for commercial use, government use, state and federal governments, hospitals, basically anywhere you see a chair.
We needed help if we wanted to be more than just a mom and pop operation for one generation. And that's where NextCorp came in.
There was all kinds of marketing materials that they helped us with. They put us in touch with some professionals so that we didn't have to do a lot of the sourcing to find the right personnel. And we realized that basically they're a funnel to all of these government programs that you would have to be a mad scientist to keep up with. The expertise of having that available to us was obviously invaluable.
We've been able to use a number of the programs, access a number of the programs that are available through NextCorp. They know where all the programs are. And when you talk to a NextCorp person about what you're trying to do, they know how to sift through what's available and match it up to your needs.
What's really important is the fact that when you need expertise and you don't have that expertise, you need to know you have to go get it.
In order to compete with what we call the big boys, we really needed some big boy help, and that's what NextCorp was able to do, is to bring us together with, again, the resources and lead us through as well, show us what's available, and also kind of hold our hands through the project.
You can try it your own way, and you can do it your own way, and you might be okay, but in the long run, all these extras over and above of your experience are what's going to make you a whole company.
Sometimes we feel alone. I think as entrepreneurs, a lot of times you think you can do it yourself and you want to do it yourself, and you don't even realize that there are resources out there and people that can help you. So when you find out that there are people interested in helping you build and grow your business, it's really wonderful to be able to take advantage of that.